Can you light me up with one now?
This is the warm-up show?
Here, let me.
Somebody hold a sparkler over there so I can actually see the focus.
Hold on, there you go.
So glad I had time
No. Fail.
It's going, it'll go.
What are you talking about fail?
No.
It hasn't gone yet.
Lots of big stars for the food.
so much potential.
Oh my god, I can't stand it!
Tension's going right. Too much pressure.
5 seconds.
Oh, we got it.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
I watched that movie the other day.
Da 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 da.
Wow. That was worth it all. Fire. I like the burnt leaf that fell from the tree. That was my hair.
That's what happened right there.
Damn.
No, that is pretty epic. Hold on a second.
Well done, sir. Hey, excellent job.
That is ridiculous.